guys seen this wig all over the internet, like all over the internet. Have you ever wondered, is it worth it? This is what I'm going to talk to you about today. Is Adanna worth your coin, sis? Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review, I'll be reviewing the wig that I'm currently wearing. It is by Sensationnel in the Swiss Lace collection, and I have it in the style Adanna. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I will give you my 24 cents whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright.
If you're watching install a wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. But before we do so, I just want to give a big old thank you to WigTypes for sending me over this unit to review for you guys, and entrusting me in giving you my honest opinion about the wig. So, like I stated in the beginning, this wig that I currently have on is Sensational What Lace Cloud 9 Adanna. I have Adanna in the style, in the color Money Piece Hazel. Adanna is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Adanna has 13x6 air to air with a 6-inch deep hand tied lace. Adanna is pre-plucked. It has natural density. It has undetectable flawless hairline, a perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective hairstyle, no leave out necessary. Now that we talked about the specs about Adanna, let's go ahead and talk about my thoughts on Adanna. Adanna is pretty long, pretty long. Bring all the hair to the front so you can see. She's pretty long, and because she's a 13x6, you could do a half up, a left, middle, or right part. The pros about Adanna: she is bigot friendly. I love the lace, it melts beautifully. I love the color Money Piece. What I don't like about Adanna, she's pretty long. She does tingle, she does shed a bit, and she does have flyaways. So with that being said, I would give Adanna, what would I give Adanna? I give Adanna 7.5. I mean, if you could get past the flyaways, the color makes up for it, the lace makes up for it, and the baby ears. They're not too excessive where they look like baby ears. And because of the undetectable lace, is that what they call it? Yeah, because of the undetectable lace, it gives a seamless blend into your scalp. So for that, I give Adanna 7.5. Where would I wear Adanna to, or what function would I wear Adanna for? Because of the way I style Adanna, I think Adanna would be great for graduation pictures. I don't know, or maybe to go to a graduation. I don't know, I just think like a style like this with your graduation cap would just be gorgeous. I just really, I don't know, that's what I envision when I put Adanna on. Graduation pictures. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I have for Adanna. So with that being said, if you like Adanna, let me know down in the comments. If you don't, also let me know. And if you got the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that smash the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time that I upload. And I will leave a link down in the description of everything that I use, including the link to purchase this unit if this is something that speaks to you, if this is something you love, and if you love the length, whatever it is. I will leave the link down below, and if it's not there, be sure to ask me. I will be sure to attempt to find it, because if I can't find it, I can give you the link. Hopefully that makes sense. So again, guys, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye.